In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a circle to a design on Visme. If you're new to Visme or just need a refresher, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and go through the process step by step, making sure you can integrate a circle with ease into your project. First, you'll want to open up your project. Head over to Visme and go to the design where you're planning to add a circle. This is our canvas where the magic will happen. It's important to visualize where the circle will fit in your existing design, whether it's to complement other elements or to stand out on its own. Next, direct your attention to the left sidebar. This is where you'll find most of the tools and options you need. Click on the Graphics tab. This will open up a panel displaying a variety of graphic elements you can add. Inside this panel, navigate to Lines and Shapes, or alternatively, Basic Shapes. Both sections are great places to start when looking for foundational design elements, like our circle. Now, in the Shapes section, you'll want to search for the circle shape. Sometimes it might be labeled as an ellipse, but don't worry, they're essentially the same for our purposes. Click on the circle shape, or if you prefer, drag it straight onto your canvas. This simple action introduces this geometric form into your design, ready for customization. Once your circle is in place, it's time to resize and format it. You can adjust the circle's size by clicking and dragging the blue handles that appear on its edges. This will allow you to increase or decrease its diameter depending on your design needs. Be as experimental as you want. Remember, you can always tweak this later if you decide to change things up. Now, let's move on to the finer details using the Properties panel. It's usually located at the top or the side of your workspace, filled with a variety of options. Here, you can change the circle's fill color, making it as vibrant or as subtle as you desire. There's also the option to modify the circle's border, or stroke, color, and adjust its thickness. This is your chance to ensure the circle fits seamlessly within your design scheme and style. Finally, position the circle exactly where you want on your canvas. You can simply click and drag it to your preferred location. To make this process even easier, Visme offers alignment guides and snap-to functions. These nifty tools help you place your circle precisely, ensuring everything is perfectly aligned and has a professional finish. And there you have it. A straightforward way to add, customize, and position a circle in your Visme project. Don't hesitate to experiment with different colors and sizes to see what works best for your design. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.